शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all viewers. In today's lecture, we will discuss the implication of energy losses in practical devices and efficiency. Before starting the lecture, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future videos. Let's start our lecture now. As we know that in an ideal system, there is no loss of energy. Let's take an example to understand it. We know that in space, there is no medium, which means there is a vacuum all around. So if an object is moving in space, then there will be no loss in energy. Let's figure it out in simple animation. Here you can see a stone is moving in space with an energy that we know is kinetic energy. So the question arises that will its kinetic energy change by itself? And the answer is no, because there is nothing that can interact with the stone to stop it. But what will happen if this stone comes to our earth? Let's see. Before reaching the surface of the earth, stone has to face different layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases. When stone, which is having kinetic energy, enters the atmosphere, then due to interaction with gases, a resistive force acts opposite to the motion of stone to defy its motion. Due to this, its kinetic energy decreases, or we can say that energy loss happened. As a result of this example, we can say that energy loss always occurs in the real system. Let's talk about mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is a ratio of output work to input work. As we know, for maximum work, the equation is W is equal to force multiplied by displacement. So we can write mechanical efficiency in the form of work as output work is equal to F output multiplied by displacement output, and input work is equal to F input multiplied by displacement input. We will take the ratio of these two works, then we can get the efficiency. Let's explain it with an example. Suppose we want to lift a car by a crane. To do output work to lift this car, crane needs input work or energy which comes from chemical energy in the form of gasoline. Once the crane is given input work or energy, it will have the ability to lift the car. The crane applied force in an upward direction to lift the car. That force we say output force. Due to this force, the car displaces through some height, which we say is output displacement. So we can say that machine, which is a crane, has done output work. So by calculating the ratio of both input energy or work and output work, we can find the efficiency of the machine by the given equation. But remember one thing, it can never be possible that output work to become equal to input work due to frictional forces. So we can say that efficiency of a machine can never be 100%. A machine with an efficiency of 100% is known as ideal machine, which is not possible in our real world. So this was our today's lecture. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if so, then hit the like button and share it with others. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. When you subscribe, it gives us the motivation to put in our best effort to make interesting lectures. Now we will meet in the next video with a new lecture, so take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.